Right. Lana we have inorganic compound. Kodwa. These are the basics. Wonke lama haloalkanes kukhona ama halogens. Halogens. O bromine, o chlorine, o fluorine, o iodine. Buhamba ngaleyo ndlela. Buka u-iod NO2 minus. iod N3 minus. Nitrite, nitrate, nitrite. It's important bakwethu ukwazi lento ukuthi i-cyanide i-carbon ehlangane ne-nitrogen. Umuntu uyayifuna ku-periodic table mhlawumbe befuna ukuthi afunde ne-molecular mass yakhona ayifuna angayitholi kanti bekume befana uthatha i-carbon ne-nitrogen ahlanganise. It's either you say bicarbonate or hydrogen carbonate. Umehluko yale u-1 le u-2 le no -1 sithi permanganate, le u-2 manganate. Permanganate, manganate. Mungafuna ukuthi ethanoid uthi acetate. Ngesingisi ese-science sithi when they associate. To associate is to come together. Now when it undergo dissociation, it will give us Na plus and Cl minus. Yini lena na? Potassium hydroxide. Association, coming together, they give us KOH. Dissociation, hlakaza ke bakwethu. Moyihlakaza iyosakhela nina K plus nani no OH minus. Tisha sicela usenzele u+2 no -2 no +3 no -3. Aw asiyenze. Oh, so ngayibhala uthini na? Uthi ZnCO3. This is zinc carbonate. Asibone 3 plus no 3 minus. Let's say kuthiwa write aluminium phosphate. Which yalizwa lelo gama. Aluminium phosphate. Aluminium Al3 plus, phosphate PO4 3 minus. Aluminium phosphate. Plus 3 minus 3. Iyalingana charge ngapha. U-positive 3, u-negative 3. So eyodwa iqhamuka from positive 3, iyothatha eyodwa iqhamuka from negative 3. Eyodwa le sizoba nani na? AlPO4. Uma ihlangana association. Uma ihlangana isinikeza AlPO4. Uma ihlakazeka dissociation. Iyosinikeza nina Al3 plus and PO4 3 minus.